Hello friends, welcome to our channel Logic Mart. This is Dolphin PNP proximity sensor in my hand. Its sensing range is 4 mm. Its voltage is 5 to 40 volt DC and maximum load it can handle is 300 milliamps. This is circuit here. You can see its circuit diagram here also. This is PNP sensor. It has got 3 wires, brown, blue and black. Brown wire we are supplying plus 24 volt DC through our SMPS. Blue wire 0 volt DC from SMPS and black wire is output. Here you can see it's a positive output to the load. You can also see its 3 wires at SMPS. See, we have connected brown wire to the plus terminal of SMPS, blue wire to negative terminal of SMPS, and black wire. Black wire is output of this proximity sensor. Through black wire we are switching 2 changeover relay, cellular relay. Black wire is given to the positive terminal of the relay base and negative terminal is given 0 volt DC from our SMPS directly. Now we will see how to operate this relay. It has got sensing range of 4 mm. See, when metal comes in vicinity of this proximity sensor, means in the range of up to 4 mm, it gives output through black wire. This is the black wire, and this black wire gives plus 24 volt DC to the relay, to changeover relay. Friends, this is the example of NPN proximity sensor. This has got dia of 18 mm. Its sensing range is 8 mm. Like other proximity sensors, it too has got 3 wires, brown, blue and black. You can see here, brown is connected to the positive terminal of SMPS, blue to the negative terminal, and black is output. Black output is connected to our changeover relay. Black output is connected to the negative terminal of two changeover cellular relay, and its positive terminal is connected to the positive of 24 volt DC through SMPS through a brown wire. You can see its circuit also. This is NPN sensor. Brown wire is given 24 volt DC, whereas blue is connected to 0 volt DC, and black gives negative output to the load, and another terminal of load, coil terminal, is connected plus 24 volt directly. Now you will see how it operates. See, when some material comes near to it, means in the sensing range of 8 mm, it gives output and glass relay operates. This is the example of NPN proximity sensor.